Hi guys, welcome back to Abjara. So in the previous one we styled the blog a little bit. It's not any better, but we can at least navigate and then go through the posts. It became a little easier to access. Now we are going to add tags to these posts. So I'll start with the first post. I'll start adding the tags. The way you add it is like this. It's an array, so you can add something like this. Now I'll change the title of this so that it's easier to understand. Now top something like to do apps. So this is based on a this is tech article. Let's say the tag is tech. Now the second post, however, this isn't formatting correctly because it's not recognizing SVX. I'll just change it to MD for here so that we can see it, tags, and I make the titles the best to do app I use. Okay, so this is also tech, but it's also personal. So personal and tech, sorry. And finally the third one, okay, where do I invest my money or something like that. Now this is personal, right? This can also be tagged as finance, but this should be enough, I think. So we have tech and personal, two tags. If we need one more, we might add it. Now how do we get it right in index? Now in metadata we already have it. We just have to get it like this. If I get it as tag, I can just add it here itself. JSON stringify, or I'll just tags dot join. This should be okay. Just below the post. Yeah, so it's working. So I'll have a p tag here. And it works. There is some margin. Probably I can remove that using style. I'm guessing it's the margin from the p tag. So let's do margin 0. And also let's make the font size a little smaller, like 0.8 rem or something. That's more like it. Now LIs should have a margin bottom because they're close together. I'll have 20 pixels. We have space. Yep, this is good. Now what is the point of having the tags if we don't make them clickable, right? So here I don't think we can use this dot join. Dot join we can use it if you're just showing the tags. Now what I should be doing is I should use each tags in tag, and then below that I have to show a tag, and I'll probably show it inside here, inside this, and here I'll show the tag, I guess. And in href there is no page for tags right now, but we can actually create that. Tags slash, I'm using template literals, tag. Now I'll have to end it. In tag, each tags and tag, is there okay, tags and tag, okay. Is there something wrong? As, sorry, why I'm using in. Okay, now we have this clickable. I'll just add something like an hash here, pound sign, so that we know it's a it's a clickable thing, and then we can remove the p tag because I think that's not needed. Maybe we can have the p tag outside of it, the entire loop. Okay. Yeah, this looks fine. And also we may have to like I'll have an a tag. Is there any other a tag? Yeah, there is one. So I'll just have a class here as tag, and then for the tag I'll have margin right as 10 pixels. Okay, this seems fine, but I'm still not convinced. There is it's hard to differentiate between the title and the tag. So what do? We will do text decoration none, right? And color we'll do hash 555. It's kind of grayish. Yeah, this is more like it. And maybe when you hover on it, right, dot tag, sorry, hover, then we'll make the color blue or something, right? And this is okay for now. This might look ugly, but yeah. Okay, now we have tags for the blog, but when you click on it, it goes to this, tags/tech page, which isn't there. In the next one, I'm gonna create a page for all these tags, which will be dynamic. I mean, if you go to tags.tech, it will show all the blog posts that are related to, that are having the tag tech. And if you go to like personal, you will get all the personal posts. So watch out for that one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.